remind mo rin yung sarili mo sa mga blessings na meron ka na. Minsan kasi, sa kakahanap natin ng more blessings, nakakalimutan na natin i-appreciate kung anong meron na tayo. Kaya ngayon, let us be a reminder to you to thank God. Pray ka at magpasalamat. God is listening to you. Stop overthinking. God knows your worries. Be patient. Kasi lahat ng bagay may tamang oras. Hindi ka pababayaan ni Lord. Kung ano man yung mga bagay na meron ka na, He provided everything. Our God is a good God. Trust Him and leave everything that makes you worry. Minsan, kahit di mo naman hinihiling, kusang dumadating. Yun kasi yung way ni Lord to remind us na if it's meant for you, it will be yours. Kaya wag nating madaliin lahat ng bagay. Just continue to keep going and someday, everything will fall into the right places.